Hey there, thanks for joining me on my channel. It's a pleasure to have you. In today's video, I'll be detangling and stretching this beautiful bouncy head of 4C hair. This is Shelly, my darling. She has freshly washed hair and now I am detangling her hair with a wide tooth comb. Prior to this, I added moisturizers and heat protectant. I'm going to section her hair. Well, I have sectioned her hair so far into 6 sections because doing her hair in small section makes it easier and pain-free. So I detangled her hair, twisted them, and now I'm blow drying her hair section by section using my yellowbird blow dryer. I like this blow dryer. I had mentioned before in another video. I really like it because it comes with a detachable comb and a concentrator, and it really gets the job done. When I'm blow drying each section, I start from the end of the hair and move towards the root. I ensure that the hair is thoroughly detangled prior to blow drying to prevent any breakage, snagging, or pain. I'm going to move from one section to another while gently combing through her hair with the heat. It is important not to pause while blowing the hair. Do not pause the dryer on the hair because that will damage the hair. Too much heat on the hair will damage the hair. So as you can see, I glide the comb quickly through her hair without pausing on any part of her hair to prevent heat damage. In the natural hair community, some people think of heat on the hair to be hazardous or a very bad thing. For me, it is not. I think it's using it improperly that can be hazardous to the hair. For me, as long as I use it the right way and the right amount of heat, then it's all good. I have been using heat on hair for years and it has not caused any damage whatsoever to any hair. So use it the right way and you'll realize that it will cause no harm to your hair. This is the end of the video. I'm gonna wrap it up and I'll be styling her hair in the next video. So if you want to see how this beautiful head of hair is styled, follow me for the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.